Good morning. I'm going to continue the chronology to illustrate that the PSI we're signing today come from a long process which involved dozens of companies that the three of us are representing today. AXA co-chaired with IAG at the beginning and chaired the insurance working group until 2010. AXA was involved in the creation of the insurance working group since the beginning because we wanted to be actors of this change, because we wanted to show how our industry could serve and help develop a more sustainable society. And because our corporate culture was pretty aligned with these lines. And for us, the UNEP financial initiative was an ideal setting for us. So as IAG just highlighted, the Insurance Working Group produced its first report in 2007. And in parallel of this report, the Insurance Working Group convened around the idea of building a common insurance framework, focusing on its core processes. And in fact, the seeds of the current PSI therefore started as early as 2007. In 2008, the Insurance Working Group decided to conduct a survey, a global survey, to assess over the whole industry whether and how environmental, social, and governance issues were integrated into insurance processes. The final objective of a survey was to provide key elements that could be integrated in the future elaboration of the PSI for insurance. And this global survey was finally conducted next year in 2009 with a very broad audience. 213 companies answered the survey from 57 territories worldwide. So this high participation rate indicated the truly collective effort behind the survey and resulted in a robust database to work from. The survey report offered profound insight about the dynamics of ESG factors and core insurance processes. It displayed the state of sustainable insurance, sustainability challenges, and potential solutions, as well as the many opportunities that remain largely untapped. But four key conclusions come out of the survey. And this conclusion started to pave the way forward to the principle of sustainable insurance. First conclusion was that the industry was not fully understood by its stakeholders, given its complexity, given its structure. Second, that the ESG factors have varying degrees of impact across line of business and across regions. Third, while the proper management of ESG factors potentially enhances company earnings and value creation for the company via avoided losses and product offerings, despite that, underwriters, they judged that the societal response for many ESG factors were underdeveloped. And four, the report recognized that many challenges existed due to the highly fragmented, competitive, and regulated nature of the industry. So, it was clear that collective industry action was needed to tackle ESG factors at the national, regional, and global levels. The call to collective action in the form of voluntary principle for sustainable insurance was launched. At the end of 2010, the structure of the four principles was proposed and the first draft was established. This concept has been refined with a robust consultation process over the past 18 months, and Munich Re will share with you that story shortly. But I would like to finish by saying that the PSI are a great way to affirm publicly the role of insurance in helping build safer, stronger, and more sustainable societies. Signing the PSI today is both an accomplishment, for sure, but it's a call for action for the future. It's only a starting point. At AXA, we see the PSI as a natural evolution of our business And as the Chief Risk Officer, I think it's all about the smart management of our existing and future risk. Thank you very much.